Hello Kinder. So today we are going to learn from our Easy German and Activities Part 1 book the remaining pages. Okay. So yes. So Fahrzeuge. Fahrzeuge means vehicles. Okay. I'm reading it one by one for you. Das Fahrrad, bicycle. Das Moped. So it's a Luna. Das Auto, car. Der Bus, bus. Das Taxi, taxi. Der Lastwagen, truck. Der Zug, train. Das Schiff, ship. Der Helikopter, helicopter. Das Flugzeug, aeroplane. So write down this in your notebook. Record your audio by saying this Fahrzeuge. And then you can solve this exercise. Verbinde die Fahrzeuge. So here you have to match these words with the pictures. Okay. For example, their helicopter. So that you have to match with the helicopter. Okay. So solve this page. Now two more exercises they have given. So what they are telling here, a puzzle is given. Okay. And see, this is Nummer 1, number 1, and see the number 1 photo is your bicycle, that is Fahrrad. So that spelling you have to write here. Okay. Fahrrad. Whole spelling vertically you have to write for bicycle. And same you have to find out the spelling of other vehicles. Now one more last exercise for vehicles. Suche die Fahrzeuge. Okay. So you have to find out the names. For example, see, this is Fahrrad. I am searching Fahrrad. So like this you have to search for other vehicle names. So after Fahrrad we are going to learn the Natur. Okay, that is the nature. So same heading is here but it has not been captured in PDF. So the Natur means nature. Der Berg, mountain. Der Hügel, hill. Der Baum, tree. Die Blume, flower. Der Fluss, river. Der See, lake. Das Meer, ocean. Das Feld, your field. Der Wald, forest. Das Gras is a grass. Okay. Now students, with this I want to tell you something else. Der See is a lake. Okay. And if it is a the See, same spelling, that means your sea. Okay. So remember this. So that's why the articles are very important. So write down this in your notebook, then record your audio while saying this. Now verbinde die Natur. Now you know how to do this. Okay, match the picture with the photo. Then same puzzle they have given. So Nummer 1 is Mayor. Write the spelling of Mayor here. Next, Suche die Natur. Find out the spelling names here. Okay. Blume hai. Cross it once you found. Now, next we are going to learn Tageszeiten und Wetter. Tageszeiten means your day timings and Wetter is your weather. So, first one is der Morgen, morning. Der Nachmittag, afternoon. Der Abend, evening. Die Nacht, night. Die Sonne, sun. Der Wolken, cloud. Der Regen, rain. Der Wind, wind. Their neighbor, fog. Their Schnee, snow. So note it down in your notebook this, and then solve 1, 2 and 3 exercises. Okay. Now you know how to solve this. Now let's learn the Tiere. Tiere means animals. Der Hund, dog. Die Katze, cat. Der Vogel, bird. Das Pferd, horse. Die Kuh, cow. Der Esel, donkey. Die Henne, hen. Das Schaf, sheep. Der Hase, rabbit. The Gans, duck. So, Hase students is also called as Kaninchen. So, that same spelling you can write down. Kaninchen is also the rabbit. Okay. Now, these are the Tiere. Now, the same, this exercise, Verbinde, then Kreuze die Tiere, cross the tier, and Suche die Tiere, search the animals. So that you are supposed to do. Okay. Now, let's learn das Essen means food. Das Brot, bread. Das Fleisch, flesh or meat. Der Fisch, fish. Das Ei, egg. Die Kartoffeln, potatoes. Der Käse, cheese. Das Hähnchen, chicken. Now see students, the Kartoffel, potato, these are also the finger chips, okay, which are made up of potato. Or French fries we call. The Kekse, cookies. The Torte, cake. Das Eis, ice cream. Okay, so see, these 3 exercises related to das Essen you have to solve. Next, Obst. Obst means fruits. Der Apfel, apple. The Birne, pear. The banana, banana. The orange, orange. The Erdbeere, strawberry. The Kirsche, cherry. The Weintrauben, grapes. Der Pfirsich, peach. The Wassermelone, it is also called as melone or Wassermelone, watermelon. The ananas, pineapple. Now, same, solve the 3 exercises related to this. Now, the next part we are learning is Körperteile. So, students, Körper means body and Teile means parts. So, these are the body parts. Der Kopf, head. Die Haare, hair. Die Augen, eyes. Die Nase, nose. Der Mund, mouth. Die Ohren, ear. Der Arm, arm. Die Hand, hand. Das Bein, leg. Der Fuß, feet. Now these are the Körperteile. Solve the 3 exercises related to the Körperteile. Weiter. Kleidung means clothes. Das Hemd, shirt. Das T-shirt. Die Hose, pants. Der Rock, skirt. Der Pullover, so your sweatshirt. Die Jacke, jacket. So pullover, in English also we say pullover, not sweatshirt. Es tut mir leid. Der Mantel is your coat. Der Hut, hat. Die Socken, socks. Die Schuhe, shoes. Okay. So these are all the Kleidungs. Solve the exercises related to the Kleidung. Okay, this is the extra page which came here. Now adjective we will solve. Let me see verbs ka page. Okay, that page is missing. Fine. Okay, so for this students, kreuze die Verben. Once you will go to the description box of this video, okay, you will get the PDF of this book, and there definitely you will get this verbs. For example, I will write here some for you. The first one is schlafen. So you can note down this in your notebook. Schlafen is to sleep. Okay, then this one is essen, to eat. Laufen, to run. Okay, so once you note down this is, I will write here, sitzen, to sit. Okay, write down this 4, then down I am writing the next one. Watching TV is called Fernsehen, which I am writing here above. Fernsehen, to watch TV. Okay, now this one is trinken. Now this one is spielen, to play. Then this is called aufstehen, to get up. I hope these spellings are visible to you. Now this one is lesen, to read. And what this last person is doing, writing. So this last one is schreiben. N. Okay, so students, these spellings I have written here for you, which you can search in this puzzle, given puzzle, and then you can solve this exercise also. This one. Okay, chalo. So we will move ahead. Adjectives we will learn. Klein, gross, small, big. These are the Gegenteile, means opposites. So like this we give the symbol of opposite. Dick, fat. Dünn means thin. Leicht, light-weighted. Schwer, heavy. Warm, warm. Kalt, cold. Traurig, sad. Glücklich, happy. Okay, so all of you always be glücklich. Now solve these 3 exercises related to the adjective. Now we are learning exotische Tiere, exotic animal, wild animal. Der Löwe, der Elefant, der Tiger, die Giraffe, der Affe. Now students, no need to tell you the meaning. You can see the photo and guess. Das Krokodil, die Schlange, das Nilpferd, das Känguru, das Zebra. Okay. Now there are some exercises. Yes, of course, 3 exercises, again same, you have to solve. Okay, so students, with this we have completed our first part of this book. Okay, so we will meet in the next class with the next part of this book. Till then, choose.